Are you tired of the endless tab dance every morning? Do you find yourself wasting precious time just setting up your digital workspace? It's time to streamline your workflow and bring everything under one roof with LiftOS, the one-stop productivity operating system. Let's dive into how LiftOS can change the game for you. Imagine starting your day with a clear agenda, but instead, you spend the first hour just logging into a dozen different tools. Sound familiar? This is where LiftOS comes in, the solution to your tab-switching headaches. LiftOS isn't just another tool, it's a whole new way to work. With LiftOS, you can manage projects, take notes, organize files, manage calendars, chat with your team, and much more, all from one place. Every team is unique, and so are your needs. LiftOS gets that, which is why it offers complete customization. Create the perfect environment with team spaces, folders, and set unique permissions for clients and team members. Whether you're juggling marketing campaigns or managing product launches, LiftOS lets you integrate all your favorite SaaS tools for focused work without the distraction of switching contexts. LiftOS is not just about bringing tools together, it's about enhancing the way you work. Find tasks, collaborate in real time, and connect with Google Workspace for seamless document access, all in one productivity powerhouse. With LiftOS, your productivity potential is limitless. Don't miss out on the chance to elevate your workflow. Get lifetime access to LiftOS today and turn your workspace into a productivity powerhouse.